Hello children, in previous class we learned the poem Sea Song. Today we will do the exercises. First of all, answer the following questions. Number 1. Where did the child find the seashell? Answer is, the child found the seashell lying on the sand at the seashore. Number 2. What did the child do with the shell? Answer is, the child picked up the shell and took it at home. Number 3. What did the child hear? Answer is, the child heard a soft, sweet and clear song from the shell. Now, word building. Number 1. Pick the rhyming words from this box and pair them in the spaces below. So, some words are given here. You have to choose the right word and fill these blanks. One has been done for you. Rhyming word is found is sound. And number 2, cold. Rhyming word is cold is bold. So, write here cold and bold. Number 3, took. Rhyming word of took is look. Write here took, look. And number 4, sand. Rhyming word of sand is hand. Write here sand, hand. And number 5, mummy. Rhyming word of mummy is tummy. So, write here mummy and tummy. Okay. Now, fill in the blanks with the opposite word choosing from the box below. Some words are given here. You have to choose the right word and fill these blanks. So, one has been done for you. Opposite of found is lost, and opposite of hard is, it is given here, soft. So, opposite of hard is soft and opposite of inside is outside. So, write here outside. And opposite of took is, it is past form of take. So, opposite of take is give, and you have to write in the past form. So, past tense of give is gave. So, this one. Opposite of took is gave. And opposite of big is small. So, write here small. And opposite of came is, it is also past form of come. So, opposite of come is go. And you have to write in the past tense. What is the past tense of go? Went. So, opposite of came is, where it is? Went. So, write here went. Opposite of came is went. Okay. And opposite of pick is drop. And opposite of true is false. Opposite of curly is straight. And opposite of cold is hot. Opposite of sweet is bitter. And opposite of tall is short. Now, let's write. Let's read this poem. The sea is big. The sea is big. It is very, very big. You cannot see the other side of the sea. You can cross the sea in a ship, but you must go for many, many days. Now, the sea is very, very big. You have to choose the right option. So, big is the right option. It is written here. Big. The sea is big. So, write here big. And number 2, you cannot see. Okay. It is written here. You cannot see. You cannot see the other side. Isn't it? So, write here. You cannot see the other side. Next one, you can cross the sea. It is also written here, you can cross the sea. So right option is can cross the sea. And number 4, you can cross it in a ship. Okay, it is right written here, you can cross the sea in a ship. So right option is ship. Okay, thank you.